Let me ask you something. Can you imagine making almost $50,000 for just one video posted on YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So there are very few YouTubers with over 500,000 subscribers willing to share exactly how much money they make from their videos. And this is why one of my favorite YouTubers is Graham Stephan. In fact, I created a video about him a few months ago talking about exactly how he was able to make over $40,000 per month on YouTube just on the YouTube ad revenue. If you want to watch that video, I'm going to put a link to that video in the description below. But basically, Graham Stephan, in a matter of 3 years, he's been able to build a channel to over 1 million subscribers, posting just 3 videos per week, and on every single video he actually gets over 100,000 views, and a lot of people follow his content, including myself. The reason mainly why I follow his content is because he's very honest in terms of his finances, how much money he makes on YouTube. And so in one of his recent videos, he shared exactly how much money he made from his top viral video, talking about how he actually paid for a Tesla and how he was paying about $78 per month for that Tesla. Now, he had no idea that video was going to go viral, and I was shocked to see how much money he was able to make from that video. In fact, he made $49,000 from that video alone, basically enough to pay for that Tesla. And I just kept thinking, well, that's amazing. That shows the potential of YouTube, that not only can you make money with the YouTube ad revenue program, you can also make money with affiliate sales. You can make money in many different ways with YouTube. So if you are consistently building your YouTube channel right now, if you're posting videos on a weekly basis, this could definitely turn into that business where you just simply post a few videos per week and you're able to make not just a full-time income, but you can make 6 figures per year. And so, inspired by Graham Stephan showing how much his top video made, I've decided, well, I'm gonna check exactly my top video on my channel just to see how much money that video has made me so far. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna show you my top video, basically where the traffic is coming from, and I'm gonna show you the details behind on why that video has made me so much money. Now, this is nowhere near the $50,000 that Graham Stephan has made with his video, and I'm a very small YouTuber. I just recently passed 10,000 subscribers. I'm hoping that by the end of the year I might be at 25,000 subscribers. So with that in mind, I'm gonna jump into my computer and show you my top video on YouTube. Alright guys, so we're inside my YouTube studio, and this is my top video for my channel. It's about 15 minutes long, and it talks about how I've been able to make money with Facebook pages using instant articles, and it's my most popular video. It has over 100,000 views since I uploaded that video. And I want to show you in the past 7 days, you can see that video has made me $33.65. If we go the past 28 days, you can see $135, and in the past 90 days, $432. Now keep in mind, this video was uploaded over a year ago, so it continues to make me money every single month, which is great, and I'm hoping that I can have more videos like that that can make me $100+ per month. Now if we go to the past 365 days, you can see $915, 134,000 views, and if we go since uploaded lifetime on that video, that's $900. So almost $1,000 for that video alone, and that video took me about an hour to create and then another hour to edit, and that it has made me that much money and has generated a lot of subscribers, which is great. Now when it comes to the traffic source of this video, it's mostly from YouTube search. As you can see, 76% of the views for that video has come from YouTube search. So people's actually typing on YouTube how to make money with Facebook. Those keywords related to making money with Facebook are the ones generating all the views for that specific video, because I'm ranking for many of those keywords, and that has brought all that income and all those views for that video. So as you can see, that's nothing to be impressed by in comparison to his $50,000 that Graham Stephan made. but that is still some money coming in from a video that I made over a year ago, and it continues to get views. It continues to make me money every single month, even though I created that video about a year ago. So this shows you that if you post videos on YouTube, if you have 100, 200, 300 videos on YouTube, and those videos start to take off, you might be able to make some money from those videos. That's not including affiliate sales that you're gonna make. That's not including from selling your own digital courses or products or whatever it is that you're selling. So you have to be patient when it comes to building your YouTube channel, because it takes time. It's not overnight. You have to post videos consistently. You can't be discouraged by the numbers. You can't be saying, well, I'm not growing fast enough, I'm not getting enough views, I'm not getting enough subscribers. You simply have to keep posting, which is why, because I'm not making $50,000 from a single video, I have to find different ways to monetize my YouTube channel, and I do so as a small YouTuber. I try to monetize my content as best as I can, and that's why I posted this video that talks about the 3 different ways that I monetize my YouTube channel. If you guys want to watch it, hopefully that gives you some ideas. If you're just growing on YouTube and you're not making a lot of money with the YouTube ad revenue, that can show you different ways that you can start making money on YouTube without depending 100% on the YouTube ad revenue. So I just wanted to share this with you because I thought that video was really inspiring and motivational for small YouTubers like myself. Maybe if you're watching this and you're a YouTuber, you're creating your own channel, you're trying to launch a channel, or you're thinking about doing YouTube, that hopefully gives you some hope that it is possible to turn YouTube into a full-time income and make a lot of money on YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.